If you are looking for the best drywall sander, here's a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. WEN 6369 Variable Speed 5 Amp Drywall Sander. This drywall sanding tool offered by WEN is powerful, well constructed, and an excellent choice for anyone looking for an efficient drywall sander. This WEN comes with several sanding discs, a 15-foot hose, and a variable speed head that can pivot in every direction. You can fold it down to half size for transport. It's really lightweight at only 9 pounds, and the adjustable handle that reaches up to 5 feet is an easy way to make sure you can easily reach ceilings without hurting your back. Number 2. Porter Cable 7800 4.7 Amp Drywall Sander. This Porter Cable drywall sander review is no exception to the good name and quality of the brand. It's almost 5 feet long and weighing only around 9 pounds. This sander is very lightweight. The dust collection system on this tool is pretty good if you hook it up to a vacuum. The head of the vacuum constantly sucks in the dust as you work, and while you will not get everything, you'll get around 90% of the mess. Its variable speed head will give you a professional finish even if it's your first day with the tool. Number 3. VIVOHOME 710W Electric Adjustable Variable Speed Drywall Sander. VIVOHOME drywall sander can be another great option if you're on a budget and looking for a drywall sander. It offers a 710-watt electric motor that has a decent power rating of 5.9 amps. When combined with its great 12-foot long vacuum hose, it can be used for heavy-duty and industrial uses quite easily. Its electric motor is decently powerful as it can go to 2200 RPM using the variable speed trigger offered on it. You also get multiple accessories included with this drywall sander like sanding paper, connecting hose, carrying bags, and more. Number 4. Goplus 800-watt Electric Drywall Sander. The Goplus Electric Drywall Sander has a rating of 800 watts that translates to a 7.7 amp electric motor. As you would expect, this is more than enough for most users in terms of the power that you get. Its variable speed trigger allows you to go up to 1500 RPM quite easily if needed. Just like various other options out there, this one also comes with built-in LED lights and a dust collector. As for its durability, you get a pretty decent build quality from it. Number 5. Orion MotorTech Drywall Sander. This Orion MotorTech Drywall Sander is possibly the most powerful option. It comes with a highly powerful 7.7 amp electric motor. While it's certainly highly powerful, the hose length could be slightly longer since it's only 6.5 feet long. You get a built-in LED light in this drywall sander for ease of use when using it. It even offers a variable speed trigger with 5 different speeds for high precision and accuracy when using it. Just like most options out there, this one also comes with multiple accessories, including 12 sanding discs.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.